Alright, what's up? So, Bitcoin went crazy past the 48, 24, 48 hours. Absolutely nuts. We were down. I recorded a video. We came down, and then I saw a post on somewhere. I think it was here somewhere. Ideas, it's called. Yeah, it's in here somewhere. Ideas for Bitcoin price, and then some guy pointed out that there's an FVG here and it needs to be tapped. So any of you ICT guys, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not ICT, but sometimes his stuff works. And funny, it kind of worked this time because we tapped it, went up. We didn't clear the buy side liquidity, whatever he calls it. So I don't know. Any ICT guys, talk to me. But that's funny. And now we're back down, and what we're doing, maybe going up again. It's because of the news, yeah. It's because of the big news that dropped today. Inflation rate and the interest rate, all of that. So that just sent Bitcoin going nuts, which, I wanted to happen. I got in my position, like I said, in Clean Spark, liquidated, boom, done. But I got in back again. Now this is actually not a valid entry as per my system. It's a third entry in a zone, which is not good though. Fuck it, shit. I should. My system says don't enter this. Yet I did it. Um, we'll see what happens in hindsight. Okay, hindsight is always 2020. But uh, Wolf, boom, boom, crazy going up. Though I was in a ridiculous drawdown when I bought this, so it's a tiny position. It's not, it's not a lot of money. Uh, but if it runs, it runs. What are you gonna do? You learn. I study. I'm gonna get a job. If this doesn't work out, I'm gonna work, get a salary, and if this doesn't work out, I'm fucked anyways. Don't want to live anyways. Dedicated my life to this shit. Um, yeah, but volume's good, so I think this will just keep going up like a rocket ship. Absolutely madness. Yeah, man. And oh, where are we? Coin, stocks, crypto related stocks all over the place. Up for the most part, then down again, just like crypto. Palantir looking like a good looks like momentum is building. Actually, my mother wanted to buy some AI stocks. I told her buy Palantir, and so she did. And also I told her buy Nvidia. So she split up her money that she had for Nvidia and Palantir. Told her it's a good stock. Those are good stocks because we have a breakout pattern playing out here, and she's up 3.5% since yesterday. So see what happens. Yeah. No, Nvidia looks good to me. Uh, I don't know what this wick is. It's some crazy wick during the stock split. Um, some crazy action going on. But Nvidia looks really good. It's the leading stock in this sector, and we want to trade leading stocks. Those are the stocks that make the most money. Bluebird liquidated this position. I needed the margin. I'm still in this little baby though. See how high this goes. We'll see how high this goes. It's a good healthy position. And like I talked about cannabis, I said this was a perfect setup. And now I mean it topped out at 7.3% today. Maybe it keeps going up. It looks like momentum is on our side. Uh, it looks really healthy, really healthy for continuation. So I'm gonna keep this position going, keep this open. Uh, Kronos not the same story, not as clean, but still I'll keep this open. Need some exposure to this sector, to the cannabis, because I'm a gambler. I'm a degenerate gambler. Not degenerate. This is statistically sound, but I probably over leverage. Yeah, I definitely over leverage. But once I hit those six numbers in my account, I'm gonna what's it called? What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? Half my risk. You know, instead of risking 2% per trade, I'm gonna risk 1% per trade. But that's just gonna end up me buying more stocks in the same sector, so it's still the same risk, kind of. We'll talk about that later, though. Um, yeah, so new positions. We have Marathon, Clean Spark, and I got in at right. I didn't this I got in this stock as well. I've been eyeing this stock forever. Aspen Aerogels. Look, I took a couple losses during about around New Year's, and I just missed this little baby. I don't know if this gonna is it gonna keep going up. I don't know. I just bought it. System says entry. Oh, actually no, it just dipped down below. Uh, so not really valid, but you know, I'm in it. Maybe fuck it. We'll see. What the fuck? I'm in it. I'll keep in it. Just some I don't know what do they do? 270 million revenue, market cap 2 billion. Designing aerogel isolation. What is that? Anyways, I don't know. We'll see what happens. This baby might go, might not go. The setup was valid when I entered, so it's valid. It's valid, okay? And also, I exposed myself to some uranium. This is the largest publicly traded uranium company. Is it a leading stock? Well, what's a leading stock per what do we define as a leading stock? I know a bunch of people talk about it. Mark Minervini, he talks about this. Yeah, it's the stock that has gained the most. Stocks that do not lag. And yeah, clearly this baby is not lagging at all. Yo, yo, what the fuck? So this is when the uranium went bazonkers, it went crazy with the trend. And Cameco Corp, this stock just said, yeah, let's go. And off it went. How many percent? Solid. That's solid. Okay. Um, though I don't see a valid entry for me. I don't see a valid entry for my system, which is kind of unfortunate. Unless, hold on. This is a break. Yeah, this would be valid. Yeah, this would be valid. This would be a zone for me, like somewhere around here. This would be valid because you don't know my system, I know my system, so just fuck it. Who's who's even watching these videos? I'm doing this for my I don't even know I'm doing these videos. I'm gonna look back at these videos in like 5 to 10 years when I'm a billionaire and just say, yo, yeah, man, let's go. But whatever. So this would be a valid entry for me. Taken out, no, and off we go. How high did we go? We went 70. Yeah, that's pretty good. 70, 67. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, man. And yeah, so yo, how long was this trend? That's cra Oh, I'm on the weekly chart. Oh God. No, I want to be on the daily. Shit. My bad. So we're on the daily chart. What do we have? Yeah. Breaks out, crashes, I get in. Boom, I get out. 5 hours, pretty good. Then new break. Where's the? That's a stochastic cross. No kidding. That's a stochastic crossover, right? Clearly, clear as day. Clear as is it though? Yeah, it is. It is. And off we go. Yeah, solid 30. Solid. Let's say 30R, right? Solid. Let's see. Did we get re-entry on this baby? That's not. That's not good. There we go. Like that. Like that. This looks like a re-entry. Something like this. Yeah. So when a trend develops, you get re-entries like this, just as I got in the cocoa, exactly like in the cocoa trading, where I picked, I've 600R I picked on the back test, or live test, 600R I got. Where is it? This right here. You get these trends, you get re-entries, you get in on them. Yeah. Um, breaks up, breaks down. Terrible, terrible price action. But you know, when trends develop like this, you get really, really clean structure, really clean entry. Where is it? Where's the entry? This is not an entry. That's the entry right there. You know, that's the entry. Back in the day, back in the day, before when the uranium trends just took off. And what do we get? Do we get a new entry? No way. Is that below? Is that below? Yes. Yes, it is. New entry. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at that. Trend following, baby. Trend following. So, leading stocks, eh? Leading stocks. And how high do we go? We went this high. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. We could diversify with other stocks, other leading stocks in the same sector to pick out even more R. You know, and that's quite nice. And it keeps going. So this is a leading stock. It has the highest market cap. It has really good performance over the past year, past 2, 3, 4 years. And still, after this leg, we had more room to go. So that's what I'm hoping for right now. Got to get those leading stocks going. You got to get those going. Now let's look at this stock. It's not leading as much. I'd say it's lagging. And philosophy says that you want to buy leading stocks, not lagging stocks. I bought Nvidia, that's a leading stock. And it went up straight up A. Um, yeah, buy leading stocks. Jazz Pharmaceuticals. What's that? Is that a leading stock? No, it's a mess. Jeez. Yeah, well, what's the leading stock? Highest regard in the industry.
Atera is the IT painkiller. Remote monitoring and management, remote access, help desk and...
Hey, this is Sasha Evdokov, founder of TradersFly.com and typically stocks that have the highest regard in the industry, that to me are the leader stocks. Those are the ones that are been moving for quite a while. It's stocks
Yeah,
that many think of in a positive way or positive fashion. It's not always stocks that have the highest earnings in terms of dollar value,
yeah.
but stocks that beat their earnings on a consistent basis. It's the companies that are very positive in most investors' mindsets. And typically, they are the ones that have continued to run to the upside for quite some time. They're
Yeah, so Nvidia is one of them. No kidding. No kidding. Um, yeah, so maybe it's a leading stock. Hopefully it is. It's not really beating earnings, unfortunately. It's not really beating. Well, yeah, guys, let's see how does Bitcoin? Yeah, it goes up. It went up like a couple percent since I looked at it. Now, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace, 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 peace.